Question for some of you. Are you angry at God? I bet I can guess why. Something you loved was cut short, or someone you loved left too early. I have something I want to say to you about that. The reason we feel so deeply and we're so angry someone left so early, or if the relationship was cut too short, was because it was instilled in us that we seek, find, and experience love and relationship. And the reason we can do that is because God gave it to us. And we were born with it. His intention for us was exactly that. His intention was not for you to lose, but instead have free will so that you and your loved ones could be unique, be different, so that you'd be attracted to each other and fall in love with each other, or angry or spurred for growth because of disagreement with someone you love and respect. His intention was not for your pain. His intention was that you would love so deeply you couldn't bear to be without. And the promise has always been, when it's over, there's a place for every one of us together at home when we leave this home. His intention for you was not bad, or to be separated in pain, or without grieving alone. His intention was that you would love so deeply you wouldn't know what to do without, so that you knew you had a reason. You had a somebody. You experienced belonging, and that you were loved deeply. Focus on that. Not about being without, but about what you got to experience. That's his goal. That was his idea. That was the plan. Love and relationship. And when the story's over, be called home to the next home together, where you get to be together again. Hating and anger is just prolonging pain. That's it. You can't move forward because you're stuck. Blaming anything feels right, but in fact, it just robs you from moving forward.